Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zwift on your laptop. First, you'll need to download and install the Zwift application directly onto your computer. Make sure your laptop meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth experience, typically requiring a modern operating system and a decent graphics card. Once installed, you'll connect your smart trainer or other compatible sensors, like a power meter or speed and cadence sensors, using either ANT+ or Bluetooth technology. This initial setup takes just a few simple steps. Now, let's get your gear connected. Open the Zwift application and navigate to the pairing screen, which is usually found in the top left corner. Here, you'll select your smart trainer, power meter, or speed and cadence sensors from the list of available devices. It's crucial to confirm that all your chosen devices are successfully connected and actively transmitting data. If you're using a smart trainer, remember to perform a quick calibration for the most accurate power readings during your ride. This ensures your virtual efforts match your real-world output. With your devices paired, it's time to choose your adventure. From the Zwift home screen, you can select from various virtual worlds and over 100 different routes or structured workouts. Whether you prefer joining a lively group ride, competing in a thrilling race, or simply enjoying a solo free ride at your own pace, there's an option for everyone. Before you start, feel free to adjust game settings like trainer difficulty or display preferences. Once ready, simply click the Ride button to begin your immersive virtual cycling experience. To truly maximize your Zwift experience, consider using the Zwift Companion app on your smartphone. It provides convenient in-game controls, allows you to chat with other riders, and even give ride-ons. During your ride, keep an eye on essential on-screen metrics such as your power output, current speed, and heart rate to monitor your performance. Don't forget to interact with the vibrant community. After completing your session, make sure to save your ride data. This allows you to track your progress, analyze your efforts, and celebrate your achievements over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.